shit recording? Yo. Is that recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Looks like it. Is there like numbers moving somewhere?
No. Yeah.
Move around a little bit. Alright, move. Out! No! Out! Stay.
Aren't you glad your hands were tucked in?
No. Yeah, because my finger would have been gone right there.
Shit, that's a big dog.
Big stuff.
This is the whole run thing. Huh? I'm not even calling in, just have run. Run down. Get him out! Fuck! What's he gonna bite?
Fuck this game with pressure bite. That's all it was. Hurt like
Hey,
hell.
don't move until I tell you to get up. Don't move at all. You're gonna go down. Okay, so, hold on. If the dog takes you down, just keep fighting him. When I tell you to stop moving, just freeze. Don't move at anything. Don't blink. Okay. Contact. Keep fighting him. Oh, we're doing it again. Yeah, I just finished the door. Alright, come over. Out! No! Out! Sit! Stay! Stay! Stay out! 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 Sit! Stay! Hey, we're gonna do that one again. Why?
You didn't fall, man.
I don't want to fall. It's right there. Right there? Yeah, we'll have it up in here. Okay. Ready? We'll wait until you get the other way. Okay.
Losing breath already?
Hold on. Okay, ready? Yeah. Just run and don't look back. Okay. Go!